See that? Just like that, people. Yesterday I picked this, I forgot to put in a vlog. And today, this morning, I go out there, get another one. And them ready. Like the two of them when I go pick, when I go up on the and touch it, then soft, ready for eat. So you see, when I your time to get something, that gonna be your time. Sometimes if you just build back, make what is there go, and then, you know, you will be able to like reap the benefits and nothing if something gone, man. Other things are gonna replace. Ready to eat, soft. That one I pick yesterday, it ready, soft. I'm gonna bust them down right now. The damage, it has been done. This is what we're having for lunch today, man. We got that barbecue sauce on that. Hey, focus, please. Alright, there we go. Yeah, this is our sandwich for lunch. Did I have record like how me I do it and all of that, but me I say no, I just want to focus on it. Of course, we have our ginger garlic sweet sauce. I never make it spicy this time. The cheese and lettuce and the tomato. Woo! I can't wait to dig in. Woo! Oh, camera, why you can't just focus? Yeah. See there, you would swear say I want Zinger. You would swear. Maybe one day I'm show you how I make it. It's just dripping water. Tomato. I'm hot. That is lovely, man. I'm hot. If you avoid the flies, then they kind of lock your door. Jeez. Hold on, let me do a quick hygiene thing. People, our next best thing to a Zinger. I'm telling you. God damn it. If at any point in my life, I get to keep a meet and greet, I think I will serve these. Me spend my time and just make them, the fans them come link up, and this I make them eat. I have one left for later for my dinner. I never eat no fries now, because I want to have the fries later on. You know, since I don't eat this, I don't want to go too crazy and just do fries again, and you know? So I just keep it nice and simple. Hey, that's me, I just have a like a swivel neck. So later on now for dinner, we're gonna have the other one. When I put the sauce on it, the chicken just fry, and so we're gonna have that with fries later. But the one here, now when I did a slam, so the one later now. I'm not even gonna try it on the camera. If you wanna see when I eat it, you wanna see when I eat it. But I just wanna sit down, relax, and have the one day. Yo! Vlog, what go on? New day. I think the footage of this vlog might comprise of 2 other days. And today what I did was I was supposed to go draw some money. My mom did tell me say enough money never in my wallet to do the thing when I did want to come. I did want to buy the milk. When I didn't want to buy the milk and not have enough money to do the business, but I end up at the company road now to go to the ATM to go draw money. Print the thing when I did need to print. So I go back home now. There was a place, you know, that we usually do the printing. That's closer. But if I did just walk go back home, I could have wait until them open, but I don't know what time them open. I still like how my day so and them people yeah, open already. Might as well just deal with it right then and there, man. The only thing I need to do, I probably have to go scan this. So I have to go wait until that the place they open. To scan it off. I'll check back with you now shortly. Yeah, I've been doing so much walking. I know my ball sack hates me, bro. They chafe up, always a sweat. Yeah? And I used to their lifestyle, yeah. For the most part, they're cool and, you know, tucked away and alright. When I sit down on a seat, I enjoy AC and them little thing. They're chafed up, man. We need some anti-chafe boxers. Some anti-chafe, balls hugging boxers. You know, you wear different boxers throughout your life, but I never really have the opportunity to test and get some of them type of boxers. Some boxers with some form of utility, you know? Not just wear for wear's sake. Boxers with a purpose. I'm gonna make something, you know? K2K boxers with a purpose. And take with NWC, you know. Them are gonna dig up the road here. Can't even beat them too bad. Because them did actually come fix the thing, so I make them get with that dig up there. I want you here for Kevin walk again. Prevent our balls from chafing up, my friend. Chafe balls is the root of all evil. If you don't hear me, I tell you none of these people. I don't know why chafe balls is such a cross is so. Chafe balls come cross again. Brand new chafe balls. Hey, when you see people do the little signs of avoiding, like having to say morning. You have to just slow them, you know. Pass a girl a while ago and she hold her head straight and her eyes down. You have to learn to read into the body language of people. That means that she don't really want to have no conversation, she don't have no contact. Now that me not plan to say nothing, but you know, these little things some people don't pick up on. Sometimes for the hell of it, I bother people. Like when I see them I try to avoid it, I do it same way. Morning or whatever. Here's what we got. Hey, we snooze pan 2. And we get 2 already and we get 2 more, and guess what? I have to wait for them when them like them ripe people, them just go pick it up by a tree a while ago. Ripe sitting them. Jeez! You see when you wait in a life, brother? Yeah man, the rewards are greater. And you just wait. The rewards are greater and sweeter. Just wait your turn, man. You know why I eat like old people? Always have crumbs on my mouth. I'm a beard, you know. Look at here, them just get your crumbs them off of my lip. Sometimes things stuck on my lip and them thing they it remind me of my grandmother. Rest in peace, Mama Eedyat, you know. Grandmother used to eat food and you see how some little crackers put on her lip. Grandma, why bother your lip? Get the crackers by your lip, grandma. You know what's funny? I mean, I wonder if this is like a Jamaica white thing. Used to call my grandmother Ma. And the other day I see somebody on Instagram post and my sister that the person call him grandmother. So I wonder if is it like a right throughout Jamaica where everybody call him grandmother Ma, or I just me and that is mad. I feel like kind of nationwide still. Some people say mama, grandma. But we used to call my grandmother Ma. What you call your grandmother? Ma or grandma? I'm curious because I think say like me and my sister them alone call her grandmother Ma. My grandmother on my mother's side, we don't call her Ma. We call her grandma. But my grandmother on my father's side, we call her Ma. I can't recall even ever calling my grandmother on my father's side grandma. It's either mama or ma. Ma. And it kind of have like a before. Ma. Rest in peace, man. What are the plans for the rest of the day? I just sign up the piece of paper here, so I want to go up on the road. Go to the place where I always go print and scan. But I wait till about 12 o'clock because there's a little food place out there also that I would want to get a little try buy one food. When I do not come back home, the place never open, so I not even know if I'm going to open today. Here's something a while ago, it's something like, oh my god. Look at people. And then if one bird did I try eating here when they drop in. Can't make it go 2 ways. Me here it just goes. Wash off the little bit, isn't it? So the rest of them would not drop off a tree out there. Sweet man, I eat man. Hey, you did one bro. The one never big. Poor thing just drop and press down in the ground. Tree them and tear down and everything. And splat. I just know. That is it. She got me half man, she got me, she got me. If we talk coffee, we say I'm cooking people up. Exactly. Are you a Rasta man? Are you alright? This is the bitchy man. Food place me the one try I never bother get. I try it, isn't it? Cause the place I'm usually go print in the open, so it look like boss not come to work today or he might do something else. Cause the other day I see my drive taxi, so maybe that I knew hustle, you know. And this is only part time. So I go to the place that I went this morning to get it printed, and them say they do scanning, so I get it done this one, then I end up go to the food spot I usually go before, close to this one. At the last I'm a coleslaw this and I was about to have it. It don't smell no way, but I don't like the way how the mayonnaise look on it, so I think I'm gonna do the wise thing and throw it away. Have you know your limits, you know? When I already see me take up the sweet sap and eat it, but I did wash it off, so in a way that's not bad. And that enough tempting a fate. I could just throw away that. I dash it away. I get the local food and I buy up on the road and I want chill back and them thing there. I have some ideas when I need to get to work on ASAP. But right now I'm just chill, clear my mind and all of that. And then yeah, we do it. Also, one of the trades that I took, I was preparing for from last week. It made a really wonderful move in the market. I'm trying to contain myself and just let the market do what it does. Hopefully it goes all the way to my take profit and I can chill, because if it does that, then that means my account would have passed the first step of the evaluation, and then I will be moving on to the second step. And the profit target that I would have to reach for that one is just 5% of the account, which is $200. Currently I need to make 8% of the account for this evaluation, which is $400. So I want to pray for me. I'm going to show you how I go and still explain how I take that trade that I take. You know, I'm out here, bro. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I know I never shown you the Forex thing. I gotta show you that. We're gonna end the vlog here. We're just having a little drink, you know what I'm saying? Cause I be chilling, man. I be chilling. When I'm chilling, I'm chilling. I got a little rum and cranberry water. Oh, I forgot to put a little tip of lime juice in there. I'll put that in there when we turn on this. But yeah, I'm just there, you know. I chill, and I'm watching some vlogs on the YouTube. That's K Moody, that's her name. So if you want to check out our thing, you can do it. And boom, that's the end of the night, bro. I'm out of here. I'm done. Sooner tomorrow. One vlog should have dropped today, or should have dropped from both Saturday. And it never dropped today. It never dropped Saturday, obviously. So tomorrow we drop that vlog there, and then we see this later down in a week. Hopefully we can catch up back and not be too far out, you know? I mean, say timeline kind of messy right now, like a Fast and Furious series franchise. All right, look at what's in. Yeah, man.